Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel saya Paper Stories.
Christopher Latham Sholes was an American inventor who invented the practical typewriter and the first QWERTY keyboard that is still used today. He is also a Wisconsin newspaper publisher and politician. Christopher Sholes, born in Mooresburg, Pennsylvania, February 14, 1819. Sholes moved to nearby Danville, Pennsylvania and worked there as an apprentice in a printing press. After completing his apprenticeship, Sholes moved to Milwaukee, Wisconsin in 1837. He was a newspaper publisher and politician as a Senate in the state of Wisconsin, 1848 to 1849, as a Democrat, in the Wisconsin State Assembly, 1852 to 1853, as a Free Soiler, and in the Senate in the Republican Party, 1856 to 1857. He was instrumental in the movement that succeeded in abolishing the death penalty in Wisconsin. His newspaper, the Kenosha Telegraph, reported on the trial of John McCaffery in 1851. Then in 1853 he led a campaign in the Wisconsin State Assembly. He is the younger brother of Charles Sholes, who is also a newspaper publisher and politician who served in both houses of the Wisconsin State Legislature and as mayor of Kenosha. The first commercially successful typewriter was invented by C. Latham Sholes, Carlos Glidden and Samuel W. Soule in 1867. This invention was later granted a patent and purchased by E. Remington and Sons, a manufacturing company. However, at first, this machine still had several shortcomings, including the clerk could not see the typing results directly and the difficulty in placing the keys used to return to their original position. This was later overcome by the emergence of visible typewriters such as Oliver's typewriter in 1895. The QWERTY layout on the keyboard has become standardized and is still used today. In 1874, Sholes and Glidden invented a typewriter with a QWERTY keyboard layout. This layout has become standard in English typewriters and computer keyboards. The QWERTY type is adapted in several other countries, such as Qwerty in Italy, Qwerty in France, and Quartz in Germany. This layout is considered less efficient because it slows down the scribe in typing. However, a layout like this can reduce the frequency with which the type bar gets stuck and jams on the machine. Then came a number of proposals for radical layouts, such as Dvorak, but none of them could replace QWERTY. The Blechibsdorfer typewriter with the diatensor layout has the possibility of being the first attempt to optimize the typewriter layout for efficiency gains. A little explanation: QWERTY is one type of layout of the keys on the keyboard. It is so named because the letter keys Q, W, E, R, T, and Y are in sequence as shown in the top row of this keyboard, which is what is used on most computer keyboards to date.